Hi there! Welcome to Fun to Fluent English, where learning English is fun and easy.
Half the stuff I worried about never happened.
Let's break it down.
Half the stuff I worried about never happened.
Half the stuff I worried about never happened. Worried, worry. Many of the things I was concerned about did not occur.
Repeat.
Half the stuff I worried about. Half the stuff I worried about. Never happened. Never happened.
Usage examples.
Half of. I ate half of the pizza. He spent half his life in prison. I only have half of what I need. They lived happily for half a century. Stuff. I have a lot of stuff to do. She has some stuff to do before leaving. Don't touch my stuff. If I leave for the weekend, I'll take my stuff with me. Worried, worry. She worried about her son's health. I worried about the test. He worried that he might be late. She worried over her daughter's safety. Happen. It happened last night. The accident happened at the intersection. I don't know what happened. The same thing happened to me.
Vocabulary recap.
Half. The stuff. I worried, worry. About. Never. happened, happen.
Read. Listen.
Half the stuff I worried about never happened.
This is a brand new channel. Help us improve. What can we do better?
Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.